A great smoothie blender can transform your mornings, making healthy, delicious drinks effortless. But with so many choices, how do you pick the best one? Do you need powerful blending for frozen fruit and nuts, or a compact, travel-friendly option? Maybe you want the perfect mix of performance and price. In today's guide, we're revealing the top 5 personal smoothie blenders, breaking down what makes them great and which one fits your lifestyle. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is the Cuisinart Evolution X, a cordless and rechargeable personal blender designed for ultimate convenience. If you're constantly on the move, this blender is a game changer. It features a USB rechargeable battery, allowing you to blend smoothies anywhere, whether you're at the gym, office, or traveling. The compact and lightweight 16-ounce blending jar makes it easy to carry and store. Despite its small size, the stainless steel blades can handle soft fruits, leafy greens, and protein powder with ease. However, it may struggle with harder ingredients like ice and frozen fruit, so it's best for light, refreshing smoothies rather than thick, icy blends. With one-touch operation, cleaning is incredibly simple. Just add water and blend to rinse. If you want a cordless, portable solution for quick smoothies on the go, the Cuisinart Evolution X is a fantastic pick. Next up, we have the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, a simple yet effective option for those who want great smoothies without breaking the bank. This 14-ounce blender is perfect for single-serve smoothies and shakes. It features one-touch blending, allowing you to make quick drinks without any complicated settings. The lightweight design lets you drink straight from the blending jar, which means fewer dishes to wash. It works best with soft ingredients like bananas, berries, and yogurt, but may struggle with tougher ingredients like ice or nuts. However, at its price point, it's an affordable, reliable choice for those who want an easy-to-use compact blender. If you're looking for an entry-level smoothie blender that is budget-friendly and simple, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is an excellent choice. Taking the third spot is the Beast Blender, a powerful yet aesthetically stunning blender that's built for those who care about both style and performance. With a sleek, modern design, this blender fits beautifully into any kitchen while offering powerful blending capabilities. The 1,000-watt motor can effortlessly crush frozen fruit, ice, and nuts, making it perfect for thicker, nutrient-dense smoothies. One of its standout features is its built-in rib jar design, which enhances ingredient circulation for a smoother blend. It also comes with a pulse mode, giving you greater control over texture. The durable, BPA-free 16-ounce blending jar is made for long-term use, and the leak-proof lid ensures you won't have any spills when taking it on the go. Though it's slightly more expensive than other personal blenders, its premium design, durable construction, and high-performance motor make it worth the investment. If you want a stylish yet powerful smoothie blender, the Beast Blender is an outstanding choice. At number 2, we have the nutribullet Pro 900, one of the most powerful and efficient personal blenders on the market. This 900-watt blender is designed for serious smoothie lovers. It features high-performance extractor blades that pulverize even the toughest ingredients, including frozen fruit, seeds, and leafy greens. This ensures that your smoothies are silky smooth and packed with nutrients. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens or busy mornings, and the twist and blend operation is incredibly user-friendly. The 32-ounce blending cup allows you to make larger servings compared to most personal blenders. While it lacks multiple speed settings, its powerful blending performance and simplicity make it one of the best value-for-money blenders available. If you're looking for speed, power, and reliability, the nutribullet Pro 900 is a fantastic pick. And finally, taking the top spot as the best smoothie blender, we have the nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender. This next-generation nutribullet improves on everything that made the Pro 900 great, featuring a more powerful motor, improved blade design, and a modern, compact look. With its exceptional blending performance, it can handle hard ingredients like frozen fruit, seeds, and ice with ease. The ultra-sharp extractor blades ensure that every smoothie is perfectly smooth without any chunks. One of its most impressive features is its whisper quiet motor, which makes it perfect for early morning smoothies without waking up the house. The enhanced BPA-free blending cup is durable, lightweight, and easy to clean. Although it comes at a slightly higher price, its superior performance, durability, and ease of use make it the best personal smoothie blender you can buy. If you want the best of the best, look no further than the nutribullet Ultra. And that wraps up our list of the best smoothie blenders. Whether you need a budget-friendly pick like the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, a high-powered machine like the nutribullet Pro 900, or the ultimate premium choice with the nutribullet Ultra, there's a perfect smoothie blender for every lifestyle and budget. A great personal blender makes healthy eating easier and more enjoyable, so think about power, portability, and price when choosing the best one for you. Which blender are you considering? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gear recommendations. Thanks for reading, and I'll see you in the next review.